Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Mate, beautiful day, heading out on the girl again today. Last week was nice, thanks for all the comments and everything that you did on the video, guys. Just a quick rundown on what we're doing today. We're going up through the mountains. I'll give you a bit of a rundown what I've done to the bike in the meantime. I'm running the slip-on acro system. This is if you're new to the channel, with no baffles, as you can see, and to be honest with you, there's not much difference at all. You'll be able to see that on one of my other videos. Other things I've done is radiator guards, which is a must. I've done my own PPF wrap. Also got the Bluetooth module and all that sort of stuff, which to me was a waste of time because I run my phone anyhow. So if you run your phone, guys, don't even worry about it. And I use Waze and that anyhow. I've got the USB port and USB-C, which is just under here, as you'll see on my other videos, just there. Also, I've got the bar end mirrors. They go straight on, guys. You don't even have to change your bar ends. So happy days. They're the Moto Gadget ones. And I'll give you a bit of a listen to it. Cold start. Mate, I love the sound of this bike. So without further ado, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, maybe consider subscribing. And as I always say, let's go riding, guys. You can see the moss on the side of the road there. Concentrating a little bit because there's last thing I want to do is hit a big fucking branch. Just hit one then. Well, there's a lot of rubbish on the road. Wow-wee.
Hey guys, I don't know what yous think, but I tell you, I always find it hard riding through bloody shadows, trying to pick out what's what, especially if you had a little bit of a pace. We're not going fast or anything at all, but I used to have a transition visor that would change colours with the amount of light, and mate, going through this, it was shocking. Now I'm using a clear visor, which helps out big time.
Hope you've been enjoying the video, guys. There's a branch there. Well, there's a couple of big ones there. That's what I mean. You've got to be on your game on this section of road, eh? Well, Just hitting something that round on the front tyre would be nasty. Lucky this bike handles as good as it does, and you can change directions pretty quick. Beautiful bush, but look at this. Picturesque rainforest. birdie. Couple of good sticks there. Bit of fun. So that road, if you ever want to go on that, guys, look me up and I'll take you on it, but hopefully there won't be as many sticks on it. Look at that for a mountain range. Absolutely beautiful. They're all the Glasshouse Mountains here on the Sunshine Coast. A lot of people climb them. Believe it or not, there's one section of that mountains over there who's ever into rock climbing, that a lot of people end their lives there because it's a lot steeper than what a lot of people are used to, and they try their luck and they come undone big time. We just had a couple recently fall down 40 metres, I think it was. Nasty.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. Thank you for all the comments that you've been making and the thumbs up. Hats off to you guys. It really makes me want to make more videos, and I really mean it. Put it in the comments if you always find it a little bit trickier to ride in shadowy roads. I know I fucking do. I don't know if it's my eyes or whatever, but I always sit there and think, oh yeah, okay, take it a bit easier. But anyhow guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and let's get back to the video and I'll chat soon.
Hey guys, there's a guy on a Suzuki up in front. Sure if I'll be able to catch him. He's a fair bit ahead of me.
One of the things I love most about this bike, I've got to say guys, is the front end. If you ever get a chance to ride one, make sure you test ride one, or you're thinking of buying one, the new model with the dual swing arm, take it into some twisties, seriously, and feel the front end.
Awesome section of road.
It's better than BMW's front end, in my opinion, that is. It's just feels a lot more stable, very similar to the RS V4 front end, and I'm saying that's one of the best front ends I've ever felt on any bike. This bike is on par with that. It's so true, but you have to test ride it in bounds, guys, and that's the only thing I can say. You will love the front end.
Got to be careful on this one because you go up and over.
This coming up here is one of the best corners out, I tell you.
Awesome corner. Try to stay within your lane too, guys. It's always a good practice to get into. There's always shit on the road, see there? Whoa, a little bit of a slide there. Cow dung. Great section of road. See what I mean? You get all the farmers walking their cattle from back over there. over that hill, so it's pretty dangerous, that section, and through here, and they go into there. So same thing, guys, if you see me lines out, let me know. It'd be awesome. And always thanks for your comments too, and your thumbs up, guys. I love it. I really appreciate it. That really helps me channel out, and gives me the buzz that you're enjoying the videos, and makes me want to do more and more.
Thanks for watching, guys, and as I always say, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.